Hi loves, in today's video I will be doing a small tutorial on these Falscara lashes. I am in love with them. They just look so natural and you can wear them up to 3 to 5 days. And they did change the formula and I have the new seal and bond. I'm not too keen on it, but we're gonna just see what it does. I may have to switch it out for my old one. So this is the bond and seal here. And these are the lashes. They come in small, medium, and large. And I normally use a medium and large because I have a wider eye. And this is the spoolie for the bond. And so you really have to get in there and get you some product on it before you start coating your lashes. But I do recommend brushing out your lashes before applying so your lashes could be nice and divided and separated. I apply the lash bond underneath my lashes, and that's exactly where I apply the lash clustered. I love these because they're so thin and natural looking. I have a wider eye, so I don't like a very heavy lash on my eye. These lashes also can be stacked where you can double and triple them if you like a heavier look. But now the cat eye is very much so a trend, and this just helps me achieve that look. I also ordered this pack of clusters from Amazon. I think they were only like $5, and that's way cheaper than what they are at your local Target. So if you're interested, the link will be below. And yeah, give them a try. They are super natural looking, and I just think this is a very clean aesthetic. It's less mess. You also get that salon look, and these can also be customized to your liking. So I have been wearing Falscaras for a very long time. This is my old one. I tend to go back to it. I don't know, it just feels different when I wear it. But yeah, Falscaras have been around for a minute, and as soon as new lashes come out, I get on board. But these are my faves. I have script lashes, I have all kind of lashes, and I go back to these because they just look so natural and they look like they got done in the salon. My lips are so dry, like terribly. Terribly dry.